Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I've got another shortwave listening tip. Now, these are things that most of you know about, but this is for people who are just getting into shortwave listening or people who are just coming back to shortwave listening. So here we go. This is tip number 4. Use headphones or earphones. Many older, portable, or even tabletop radios have poor quality built-in speakers. There was a time, like the 1970s and thereabouts, even before that, the built-in speakers were just terrible. And a lot of the radios, especially the tabletop radios, had a jack for using headphones. You want to do that. Using even inexpensive headphones or earphones will greatly improve your shortwave listening. Try it. You will see. Headphones or earphones give you better sound isolation from surrounding noise. That's one of the things it does. It also gives you better and clearer audio. Not necessarily high fidelity, but clear. That's the thing you want, clear. I used a set of Koss headphones. They were very popular back in 4 decades ago, and the sound was great. I could hear those weak signals, those weak stations, but as I got older, headphones hurt my head. They were tight, they were heavy, and so I had to switch to earphones. And earphones have improved over the years. Headphones or earphones or even earbuds come in a variety of styles, sizes, and prices. So you just need to find out what's best for you. You can start with an inexpensive pair and see how they work. Maybe you want to get a little nicer pair. Maybe you have a pair that you have with your hi-fi audio system for listening to music and stuff like that. Try those. Conclusion: if you don't have some headphones or earphones or even earbuds, get you some and see how they can improve your shortwave listening. Again, these are tips that most of you know about, some of you don't. Just trying to share. More shortwave listening tips to come. Do you have one you would like to share? Please do. Put a comment down below this video. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.